Kala mo
Oo, marami yun.
Isaac, welcome back. Anong pakiramdam?
Felt good. I think it's out there that I have 500 plus days I haven't played, and then Theoretic, good job. And then we didn't have a tune-up game, I think, now just due to schedule constraints. Because syempre NBA with Gilas and everything. Good job. Just excited to be out there. Of course, bittersweet na because Jason, well, not the Jason, but just happy to be out there. Medyo gigil, but we'll only get there.
Isaac, it's been a long process. Sabi mo nga, 500 plus days since you're out. So, yun nga. How was the process?
It was tough, it was long, but yun na, because kaya nga parang coincidence na si Kuya Jason bumalik rin ngayon from tournament na parang yun na. It's when you go through it alone, you feel like you go through it alone, but syempre with the help of our medical staff, my teammates, family, everybody, parang yun na parang mahaba talaga, but just happy to be back. Yun na, bittersweet lang talaga, and we hope all the best for Jason, and hopefully it's nothing serious.
Yung sa audio yung kung bakit going? Siguro one thing na nagpa-keep going sa'yo throughout the process.
I think love for the sport. I mean, we only have so much time that we can play basketball professionally. So it's that. It's parang taking advantage na knowing that ilang years lang talaga makapaglaro. So really working hard. Yan yung goal to return to play to the sport that we love. And seeing like Kevin Alas, parang 3 ACLs still coming back, playing at a high level na. Parang when you see him do it, parang why can't I do it? So parang naging inspiration siya na and other athletes as well who have gone through multiple injuries as well. Tapos nakabalik sila to the prime of their sport.
Isaac, medyo kasi before you coming back, medyo lean yung front court ng Nebra. Now that you're back, you feel like eto paano you're going to give them a boost, especially with the foreign imports around.
Yeah, and I think yun na, we have Kmart coming back hopefully soon. Parang yun parang dati people were saying, oh parang manipis na ngayon, bigla. Parang dami na kaming malaki ngayon So, we're excited, and then we know that this conference is going to be tough. You see all the other imports coming in, and we'll just try our best with what Coach Tim has planned for us. It's going to be a fun one.